Frustration is boiling over in the Drew Peterson murder trial. To say the judge is tired of the attorney's antics is a bit of an understatement. CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli has been covering the trial, joins us live from Joliet. Mike, what upset him today?
Well, possibly the lack of testimony. There were only two witnesses on the stand today, a phone company employee and also a cop. I think attorneys on both sides may disagree, but at times the judge really acted like they were all a bunch of incompetents. At one point, he abruptly stormed out of the courtroom saying, "Why don't you guys get your act together?" Stacy Peterson's sister walks up to the microphone stand to address the media outside the Will County Courthouse. But the real people Cassandra Kales wanted to address today were the 12 members of the jury sitting inside in judgment at Drew Peterson's murder trial. But after the lawyers hammered out an agreement, Stacy Peterson's only surviving sister never took the stand.
I'm actually going to hold all my feelings until the end.
Her lack of testimony avoided a highly anticipated confrontation between Kales and the man she believes murdered her sister.
Oh, it's always good to see him locked up, you know, being out of control, not in control. It's always good to see him not being able to do what he can do, what he wants. So it makes me feel good to see that.
Defense attorney Joel Brodsky said little about Kales not taking the stand, but lots about how he believes the state has conducted its prosecution.
How many millions have you spent on this case? I mean, they're fumbling like amateurs. It's embarrassing.
The second witness of the day was a Bolingbrook police lieutenant who testified that Peterson was an evidence technician trained in forensics. The prosecution had wanted to show that Peterson had the knowledge to cover up a murder, but the defense countered by insinuating that Peterson had never processed a single crime scene and had never been taught how to stage a crime scene and was essentially a desk sergeant for most of his career. The trial is set to resume on Monday when the lawyer who represented both Kathleen Savio and Stacy Peterson is expected to take the stand. Also, Cassandra Kales says that she does expect that she will one day get her day in court. That a not too subtle reference to the fact that she believes one day Drew Peterson may be indicted in connection with the disappearance of her sister. Live in Joliet, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Robin Kate.
All right, Mike, thank you very much.